say that I'm the person appointed on August 1st, 2013 to the position of police officer in the city of Seattle, in the state of Washington, and that I possess all the qualifications prescribed for said position by the Charter of the City of Seattle, that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Washington and the Charter and ordinances of the City of Seattle, and that I will faithfully conduct myself as a police officer. Congratulations. You guys have a seat. And let's sign them. Do they sign anything or just me? They do. You guys go ahead and sign some stuff, and I'll give you a few short words. First of all, family, friends, fellow family police officers here who are here to support. Sounds like the city council. Oh no. I did a video about 25 years ago and it still won't go. Congratulations. This is an honor. I started out as a reserve officer with the Seattle Police Department in 1981. A couple other folks in this room. Is Captain Emmerich there? Yep. Any other former reserve officers? Okay. My heart, my soul, my body is into this city and this department. I was born here. I'm going to die here. I want the best for this police department, and you would not be here if you guys were not the best. That's not saying that you're better than anyone else, but you guys are all the best. In fact, you got hired here. We are in a significant hiring bin right now. We are going to be hiring about 7 to 9 a month, probably for the next 2 years. We're going to have a lot of turnover. That means that you, although you're a rookie today, a brand new phase 1 or phase 2 police officer who has to be in post-leave training and then in field officer training, pretty soon, before you know it, 2, 3, 4 years, you guys will be senior officers in your squad. That's how many new people we're going to be hiring and how many others are going to be retiring. So don't take any of this for granted. You guys are going to be looked at not only by your family, not only by the public that we serve and protect, but also by all the other officers who are going to be coming behind you. Don't ever forget that everyone's always watching. Don't ever forget that there's always a camera around, too. That should not be the motivation why you behave properly and why you are a guardian of your community. But you always have to know that you're going to be on, and that everyone's watching. Everything that you do, even though you don't have direct contact with the person, let's say that you're helping a person get directions. Let's say that you're helping find a lost kid. There may be, most of the people who are watching you are not involved at all, but they will form their opinion of the Seattle Police Department and of policing in general by how you act and how you behave and how you treat others. As I said before, this is a wonderful profession. I've been doing it for 31 years. If I had it all over, or to do all over again, I'd do it again. It's that much fun. I wish I could do what you guys are doing because you guys are the real cops. I'm just a pencil pusher right now. But we have a lot of good stuff to offer you, and you have a lot of good stuff to offer your community. One thing that was mentioned to you during one of the talks this afternoon was a partial quote, and I'll give you the full quote from Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes from over 100 years ago. He said that the sign or the definition of integrity is the ability to do the right thing under the most trying of circumstances, even when no one is watching. And that's what a lot of police work is about. You will be by yourself. You'll be under stress. You'll be tired. You will have the issues that you have to deal with at home. But you have to come to work and be a guardian of our community. And with all that pressure, you're going to have to do the right thing, even under the most trying of circumstances. And I trust you will. And I will do everything in my power, and all your fellow SPD family members here will do the same. So thank you for choosing this career, and always honor it. Another thing, take care of your bodies, okay? Most of you will be doing this for 25, 30 years. You gotta stay in shape. For one reason, you have to stay in shape because every study has shown, in fact, 3 successive studies of convicted felons who have assaulted, seriously assaulted, or killed police officers. The one common denominator between all those people, among everything else, was it looked like I could take him, I looked like I could take her. They got out of their car, they had a lousy looking uniform, they looked like they were out of shape, and I knew I could take them. So don't get out of shape. Another reason is because if we do become injured, we are going to recover a lot faster. Okay? Third reason, when you get done with this great experience and this great career, your body will be in good shape and you can enjoy the time that you will so richly have deserved. Okay? So take care of yourself, even if it's just a walk a day. Get moving and stay moving. Second, take care of your families. You folks would not be here without your friends, your families. There's a lot of extended SPD family here. Take care of them. My first chief said, you got to take them all out for dinner tonight. So I'll say at least do that. But take care of them. They're the ones who are going to be able to support you on a daily basis, emotionally and in all other ways, so that you can come to work and be guardians of your community. Okay? Last, thank you to all the family members. You guys are phenomenal. The fact that you have allowed them to work with us and be guardians of the Seattle community, even with some of the difficult times that we're going through right now, don't believe most of it. We definitely have some challenges, but the fact that you've allowed them to come and work with us and take care of everyone is an honor, and I promise to take care of them. So thank you.